Hi and welcome to Outwell and to our Camper Lux sleeping bag. This is a 3 to 4 season bag, so it's ideal for use in spring, summer and autumn with a snap of winter as well. The comfort temperatures here are 0 degrees for ladies and -6 for men, so it's a good warm sleeping bag. In terms of construction, we have a polycotton shell on the bag here. So this is a 20% cotton and 80% polyester, giving it a nice soft touch feel. The inside of the bag is a cotton flannel lining. We'll just open this up here. So this is a very soft touch, kind of duvet-esque sort of feel to it. In terms of the filling that we use in here, this is an isofill, so it will keep you warm, as I've already mentioned. But also a great thing about it being an isofill is that it's synthetic, so you can clean this at home yourself just using your washing machine if needs be. You can see on the inside we have this handy storage pocket just here. At the top of the bag you'll find that we have a zip-off hood, and the zip is just on this side here, so if you don't want this hood then you can just take this off. Also built into the hood is this handy pillow, which is of a good size and good shape as well. And over here we have a differentiated drawcord, so there's one for the top of the hood and one for the top of the bag, so you can cinch this right in, making it nice and cosy inside. At the opposite end of the bag we have these handy hanging loops on here. Now these are ideal if you want to store the bag in a wardrobe. That way when you next take the bag out, you should find it has a little bit more loft around it, and that will keep you that little bit warmer as well. The zipper itself is packed with features as well. So on the inside here, what I just want to highlight is that we have this taping on the inside of the zip baffle. Then we also have the taping on this side here, and on both sides of the zip. If I just pull this back, you'll just see that we have this luminous beading on the inside, and that is on both sides of the zip. And what that allows for is a really easy glide zip. As I've just mentioned there, we do have a full length zip baffle, so it runs all the way the length of the zip. And what that's there for is just to allow, when the zip is closed, for no cold drafts to come in through this zip at all. The zip puller itself is YKK, so of course good quality, and what you will find is it has an auto lock feature on here as well, so it's not going to come undone during the night. A really nice feature of this full length zip is that at the bottom here you can just see there is a second puller, so it is a two-way zip. So we can open this up at the bottom, allowing for good ventilation from here. Also, you'll find there is a separate zip along the bottom, which will then allow you to open the whole bag up as a duvet style. Now when the bag is in that position, what you will find is that you can actually zip another bag to it just by laying it on top and zipping the zips together. The bag comes in a handy storage bag which is square in shape, so it's easy to pack away, and of course then easy to store. So that's all of the features of the Camper Lux. Thanks very much for watching.